Welcome! In front of me I have AMAZFIT GTS 2E and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this watch from the Android phone. First we need to open the ZEP application on the phone that is paired with our watch. So let's open the app by tapping on the ZEP icon. In the application you should see the home page. Now tap on the profile icon to open the profile page, and on the profile page you should see the list of my devices, and on the list you should see the AMAZFIT GTS 2E. Tap on it to select it. Now scroll down through the page, find the option called or button called Unpair, tap on it, then tap on the Unpair button and tap on Unpair to confirm. The watch will disappear from the profile page. Also it will reset itself to the factory default settings. Now we can close the app. Just to be sure, we can open the Bluetooth settings on our phone and check if we have the AMAZFIT GTS 2E on the list of paired devices. If it was here, you can tap on the info icon next to it or settings icon, tap on it. You can tap on forget or unpair and then confirm by tapping on forget or unpair again. As you can see, it's not here, so we can simply close the Bluetooth settings, and at this point the watch is unpaired from our phone. And that's how you unpair this watch from the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.